How about two to
Yeah.
three protocols, habits, mindsets? Let's call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts to
Mhm.
longevity and a long health span that you can share.
Nasal breathing. I know that's like, the thing to say, and sometimes people oversell nasal breathing. It's not that we should be doing that all the time, but really just setting an awareness for yourself super simply, even if you set a little like lovely chime on your phone every day to just check in. Am I nasal breathing? Am I mouth breathing? We serve ourselves so much better for states of calm and lower stress with nasal breathing. I think another thing is, look, whatever form you can get them in, electrolytes of some sort, just making sure you're getting hydrated. Whether it's like you want to be super fancy and drink hydrogen water and just, all the things, or you just can get a simple, inexpensive electrolyte, low sugar electrolyte that really feels good in the body. Hydration has been a thing for me that's helped me feeling younger and energized. And then, I would hearken to the thing about, so Molly Eastman is a good friend of mine. She's Sleep is a Skill is her podcast. And I think this is a free hack. My mother always says my best biohack at night to get good rest is to close my eyes. It's like you got to shut your stuff down and you got to get sleep. We're only as fit as what we can recover from. And things like meditation and sleep are the things that are going to help us recover.
I'm gonna be interviewing her tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to Sleep is a Skill. Yeah,
Oh,
and I couldn't agree more.